Mudge, Mudge, stop humping.
Uh-oh.
This dog's really well trained. If anything, you need to worry about my dogs. They're not well trained. Your dog is well trained.
He likes to wrestle.
Yeah, wrestling.
PJ's had plenty of practice wrestling. He wrestles me.
We feel
Whoa.
sorry for him.
Oh no!
Lady, stop it. She is very protective. Stop it.
PJ's like, I don't want to come back here anymore.
Yeah, I'm sure if by Christmas, there's got to be some kind of resolution. It can't go on that long.
You know what I was just saying?
Lady! I know you're not playing.
PJ, you want to come here? They're just playing. Whoa, they're just playing. Oh boy.
And I'm like, Mitch, you're going to think I'm crazy, but one of the hardest parts of the trip for me is being in the car, in the bus with the kids, thinking any minute we're going to get in the
He's getting ganged up on.
I guess that's better than we were talking.
although that is a
Mine usually take turns and kind of put the other one on top.
So you're home and now you just need to... Lady! Lady!
He's just like,
Stop.
PJ may need some help here.
Mitch, I can't, I don't know how to pick up. I never
It'll
had
be
a
fine.
dog before PJ. I never pet a dog before
Oh,
PJ.
yeah.
Tuck.
I
It's
grew
enough.
up with dogs, but this is, yeah,
Tuck.
it's a change. But you know what? I don't know what we did before.
Come here, baby.
Oh my
It's
God.